Shapes are the visual building blocks in wire. They can make anything from simple frames and outlines to complex generative artworks. Let's make some shapes. I'll start out by making a rectangle. Hovering over its outlet, we can see that it outputs a shape 2D. I can change its parameters by dragging the value boxes. To move and rotate the shape, I will create a transform node. I can use the translation parameter to move the shape around. I can use the scale parameter to change its size, and I can use the rotation parameter to rotate the shape. The anchor parameter is used to set the anchor point of the rotation and translation. Next, I'll create a shape effect. These are special kinds of effects in that they only work on shapes. I really like the edge effect, so let's run with that. The edge effect creates an outline of the shape. Wire has a bunch of different shape effects. I'll leave most of them for you to explore, but there are two that I want to discuss right now. These two important shape operations are subtract and union. I'll create a subtract shape node and connect both the rotated shape and our outline to its inlets. The right shape gets subtracted from the left shape, and the result is a more complex shape. We can even apply some smoothing to it. Now for the union node. We'll start by creating the union node and connect both shapes to it. The union node combines multiple shapes into one shape. This is a perfect tool for creating really complex shapes. It has a few different smoothing modes in the inspector, but I'll leave that up to you to explore. The final node we'll take a look at is the shape render node. This node converts a shape into a texture, but more importantly, gives it a color. For now, we'll just pick a color, but colors can also be dynamically constructed using float values. With this tutorial, we've just scratched the surface of what is possible with shapes. I challenge you to try out all the different shapes and effects before moving on to the next tutorial. To learn about shapes, you can check the article on our website or explore the built-in basic shape examples inside of Wire. When you're done, you can move on to the next video.